My name is Uzoma Asagwara. I'm the Deputy Premier of Manitoba and the Minister of Health, Seniors and Long-Term Care.
Big portfolio. What is some of the top pressing issues that you're dealing with in your province right now?
Our number one priority in Manitoba, and it's the number one priority for Manitobans, is healthcare. That's the top priority. Folks want to access primary care. They want to get their healthcare needs met in a timely way. And the way that we do that as a government is by staffing the healthcare system, which was cut. Major sites were closed, jobs were cut for many years under the previous government. So our priority is staffing the front lines, training more healthcare workers, and making sure that Manitobans have access to the care they need, no matter where they live in our province.
Well said. And I really value what you guys are putting forward because I think healthcare is a basic human right and everyone needs access to it. And, Canada prides itself in having free healthcare. So I think that needs to be delivered. And I'm really excited to see what your government's putting forward. A lot's happening 2026. What is your political hot take in this moment right now?
Oh, what's my political hot take? My political hot take is that every single person should be treated with dignity, care, and respect, and that governments have a responsibility to make sure people can have their basic needs met. Universal health care needs to be protected, and we've got to treat our neighbors like they're our family. And when you lead with that as your values, core values, you can get a lot done. And our province, as a government, we take that really seriously. We have this slogan that we are one Manitoba, and it's something that Manitobans are really, really proud to talk about. And it's something that we know makes a difference in terms of relationship building, in terms of building bridges, and doing the work of making our province a better place and doing that work together.
Well said. And I want to ask you, you talked a little bit on the theme. What does community mean to you?
Oh my goodness, that's a great question. I love that question. I have to admit, I was raised in a community that really lifted each other up. I'm really proud to be Canadian. I'm also proud to be a first generation Nigerian Canadian. And so I was raised with the values that community is built, community is fostered, and it is sustained by people of all ages. And it's something that I think that when we invest in strengthening communities and when we invest in meeting the essential needs of our community members and leaving no one behind, you really get the best out of people. So healthier communities are safer communities, are stronger communities, and that means a stronger province for us. And we want to see that everywhere in this country.
Yeah, I love that. And what does it mean for you to be first generation, being in government, also being non-binary? What does it mean to you to I don't want to say lead the torch of it because I think you're just the beginning. I think we're going to see more youth coming up, speaking up. What does it mean for you to be an icon and stand up for your values?
That's generous of you. I am first and foremost so proud to be a Manitoban. I love our province. I'm so proud to be part of a government that is led by a premier who cares first and foremost about people and taking care of each other and being a part of a team that actually looks like the province we serve. I'm really proud of that. What makes me who I am, everything that makes me who I am proud of, and it took me time to get there, and I want it to take less time. For all the kids growing up in Manitoba, I want them to know as early as possible that being exactly who they are authentically is loved, is celebrated, and supported so that they can be the best version of themselves. When we support people to be the best version of themselves as early as possible, we really see the fruition of that in our communities economically, socially, across the board. So I'm super proud to be a Manitoban. I'm proud that Manitoba has allowed my family to call it home in such good ways, and we just want to see more people have that experience.
Beautiful. Well said. Thank you so much, Minister. I really appreciate your time. Yeah.